Oh, force
Watch this dude's force fielding. Watch them. Just watch him. See him hitting me.
Yeah. Come in.
And he too. He has force field too. Or more click aimbot, I think. This dude really force field.
I can't even hit him.
This dude even regens freaking fast. Watch his fire.
We can have them.
Oh my god. I'm literally gonna die.
I don't even know. He has.
He's pretty
Oh, he hit me. Look at his head. Did he record that?
Wait, what? Yeah, I got him. Watch this dude fire go off really fast.
Oh,
And
sorry,
this
fluffy
there
noodles.
stops it.
Did you see him force field?
Yeah, a regen thing yoke too.
Oh, that's Dutch. Come on, PvP me, you fucking nigga. I just hit my god apple for no reason.
Let me hit you and show how long you burn. See, he keeps burning way longer than this dude. Watch him. His burn can stop. See, it stops. He didn't even jump in the water. Freaking hacks. Good luck, you're gonna get banned, bro.